Krishna, thank you very much. Give a round of applause for Krishna. What's that? It's a wonderful introduction. I don't think I could have written one better myself. How are you today?
Great.
No, really, how are you?
Good.
All right, how many of you is even better? Let's get more on an individual basis. How are you doing here in the front? How are you? Good, that's good. How are you? All right.
How are you?
Hi, thank you for asking. Nobody asked how I was. Well, thank you for asking. Well, first of all, I'm doing great. I just want to say I love what you're doing with your highways down here. So I'm doing great. Thank you for asking me. I like to start the day with a little humor, a little bit of fun, you know. So based on that long-winded answer I just gave you to a very simple question, how are you? And I did this on purpose. What do you know about me? What do you know about me?
You're married.
I'm married. Who said that? Okay, I'm married. All right, are you married? What else? Anything else you learned about me? Yes, in the back.
You might be technically challenged.
And you're not humor challenged, that's for sure. But, you know, yes, you're right. I said it's not might be, I am. I don't understand how this is working, to be honest with you, without a court. Yes, are you technically challenged at all? No?
She said,
Oh, you're the techno.
I'm in IT. Yeah.
You're in IT? Well, see, now that we could be really good friends. We'd have a lot to talk about because you could explain everything to me that I'm doing wrong.
You'd ask me to set your ringtone.
Yes, I would definitely do that. Wow. So that's a conversation starter. Okay. All right. Thank you very much.